All right, so today we're diving deep into continuous flow conveyor systems.
Ooh, fun.
Yeah. If you've ever kind of looked at your production line or warehouse and thought, like, man, there's got to be,
A better way.
yeah, like a better way to do this.
Mm,
This is for you.
for sure.
We're going off of some information from PowerSafe Automation.
Excellent source.
Yeah, and we're going to be looking at all the different kinds of these systems and how they can, like, really improve your output, but also, like, save you space.
Optimize.
Yeah, optimize, exactly.
Love it.
So our mission here is to give you like a shortcut, to understanding all this stuff.
The essentials, yeah.
Okay, so let's just jump right in.
Yeah.
I think the VarioFlow plastic chain link conveyor is a great place to start.
Yeah, good one.
It sounds super versatile,
It is.
and it's a small part transportation system that can be like different widths.
Yeah, you can go all the way from 65 millimeters to 320 millimeter.
Wow, that's a pretty big range.
It is quite a range.
So what's like the strategic advantage there of having all that flexibility?
Well, I think what's really cool is it lets businesses change what they're making,
Yeah.
without having to like redo their whole conveyor system.
Oh, so they can adapt.
Exactly. Adapt.
I got it.
So say you're making something and then you want to make a new part that's a little bit wider.
Yeah.
You don't have to rip out your whole conveyor belt.
I thought that's awesome.
You just swap out a section.
That's smart. That's like cost savings right there.
Big time. Yeah, long-term cost savings for sure.
So it's flexible. It's also, I read that it was quiet,
Oh, yeah. Super quiet. And it doesn't take up much space either.
which is huge.
Absolutely huge, especially if you're working in a tight area.
So yeah, let's talk about space saving because that brings us to the VarioFlow vertical transfer unit.
Ah, yes, going vertical.
Yeah, up and down.
Makes sense.
So how does that play into, this whole idea of like efficient layouts?
Well, think of it like this. You're working with limited space, right?
Always.
Yeah, always.
Seriously, these days.
So instead of having this long ramp taking up a bunch of floor space to move stuff up or down.
Yeah, you're using the vertical space.
Exactly. Just go straight up and down. It's like a little elevator for your parts.
I love.
Keeps everything flowing, keeps the floor clear.
Okay, so we've gone up, we've gone down. Now let's go, sideways, I guess.
Side to side.
With the TS pallet-based conveyors.
Okay, yeah.
So this one's all about product transfer and assembly.
It's a workhorse for sure.
So what makes it stand out?
It's really all about the options.
Yeah.
You have so many ways to configure it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like you can choose between a six-sided access plate or a freestyle pallet, depending on how you need to access your product.
Gotcha.
And then you've got choices for how you actually move the pallets. You can use belts, chains, rollers.
Oh, wow.
It's really customizable.
So you can tailor it to like whatever you're making?
Exactly, whatever your product needs.
That's awesome.
And then to top it all off, you can add these pneumatic or electrical stop gates for precise control.
So like if you need to stop at a workstation or something.
Exactly, you got it.
Okay, so that's a lot of options.
It is a lot.
Now the lift transfer unit, that one seems a little more specialized.
Yeah, it's more of a component within the TS conveyor system.
Okay, so what does it do?
So basically, it helps you move between belts and chains smoothly.
I see. So like if you need to change direction.
Yeah. Or if you're going from a belt section to a chain section during assembly.
Okay. And what's the benefit of that?
Well, the main thing is it reduces wear and tear on the system.
Oh, because it's like a smooth transition.
Exactly. Less stress on the parts means your conveyor lasts longer and you have less downtime for maintenance.
So that's another like cost saving kind of thing.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so finally, let's talk about the Active Mover Transfer System. This one sounds super high tech.
Yeah, this is like next level stuff.
Really?
Yeah, they call it a smart factory conveyor system.
So like artificial intelligence and all that?
That's right. It's all about speed and accuracy, and it uses this software called CTRLX.
Which is?
It's like a platform for controlling and managing all the data from the system.
Oh, wow. So this is for like companies that are really, all about data and automation.
Absolutely. They're taking full advantage of the latest technology to optimize their material flow.
Okay, so just to recap, we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
We started with the VarioFlow plastic chain link conveyor, which is like super adaptable.
Yeah, lots of width options.
Then we talked about the VarioFlow vertical transfer unit, which is all about saving space.
Taking advantage of that vertical real estate.
And then we got into the TS pallet-based conveyors, which are super configurable.
Tons of options there.
And then the lift transfer unit, which helps reduce wear and tear.
Keeps things running smoothly.
And finally, the super high-tech Ascaviv mover transfer system.
Yeah, for those data-driven operations.
So that's a lot to think about, a lot of different ways to improve efficiency and space.
Absolutely.
So my question for you listening is, which one of these systems speaks to you the most?
Yeah, what challenge are you facing in your operation that one of these could solve?
And which one do you want to learn more about?
Yeah, go do some research and see how you can take your operation to the next level.
Exactly. All right. That's it for this deep dive.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.